I ain't gonna see your black ass for another fucking week.
You was right.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this. My channel, Mr. At Your Beach. New to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Yo, before we get into the video, let me get 400 likes on this joint. Word. You already know that. Resin. 6 point. Word. 9.1. What you know about it. Word.
12-12's out the minivan, had a ceiling fan. Dashboard had a chandelier. Sold grants for years, backing up.
Hello?
Oh, yo, what the fuck am I doing? Damn, I'm sitting there looking at...
Stay off the drugs.
And before I get into this video, let me give a shout out to my man, JC Bracy, man. I appreciate that. They were tripping, but you already know. Hey, thank you, though, you know? All blessings. Thank you, I appreciate it. Word, out. Anyway, man, before we get into this vid, damn, ADD, man. I got a pickup from Effectus Clothing. Shout out to Effectus Clothing, you already know. Oh, matter of fact, it's Effectus Clothing right here. Yeah? You already know, use my discount code WAVY, save 25% off your entire purchase. When don't you use my discount code? Tell me.
Somebody.
That's when they got a 40% or a 50% going on. Don't use my shit. I appreciate y'all anyway.
What you think you talking to, man?
Right here, these tees are for the Jordan 9s. I did not cop them, but they are for the Jordan 9s. You know, boom. Here you go. Racer, racing the competition. Okay, that's like the speed racer joint right here. The Lambo Yambo or something like that, or McLaren or something.
Right.
Next joint. Hey, let me know, did y'all cop them 9s?
What?
Effects Clothing Racing Tee, living fast. Boom. Next up, these are for the Black Cat 4s. Didn't cop them back in the day, did not cop them recently. What you trying to say?
You can't read?
Cats better recognize. Okay, yeah. I'm liking that joint though. Yeah, that joint tough. I'm definitely, it's definitely, you know, you throw over something on that, you know. I already know, what you saying on Zach? Shadows? What you saying? Oh, Shadows are, might do stealth. We still gotta deal with the stealth. Pause. All right, okay, what is it? Stay hungry. Boom. Hell yeah, like I said, yo, shout out to Effectus Clothing again. I appreciate y'all, man. Discount code is WAVY, save 25%. I ain't gonna tell you again when not to use my joint, you know, but I appreciate the love. Word up.
Thanks, cuz.
This video right here is about the Nike Air Max 90s. These are my first sneaker pickup of 2010. I think we're about like 5 weeks into 2010.
Man, you need to stay off that crack, man.
But anyway, man, yeah, but hold up. When I went up there, I saw that they had the Angelus kit, the Angelus. So I'm gonna fuck up a pair of sneakers with these, you know what I'm saying? Now, what I really wanna do is my Jordan 6s, them joints, the 2009, 2007, forget, the varsity red joints. I wanna watch a video or two and see if I can do something with them before I just toss them out. But anyway, yeah, so I got that joint with one of the gift cards. So anyway, yo, y'all have already seen reviews on this joint. I am not gonna give y'all a review. I'm just gonna give y'all a quick sneaker story and then get to it. You know what I'm saying? That's on foot, you know, on YouTube. Don't forget it.
Nigga, please.
These joints was dropping. I already had my eyes on them. I called up the Foot Locker because I already saw, I think like, what was it, like a week ago or something? They had already dropped, and I'm so sorry. I'm gonna find your name and I'm gonna give you your just due, because you had hit me up and you had got them before and you was already giving me the heads up like, yo, the joints that came out early after the day with the women's, but you was already showing me the box and everything, so I gotta give you your just due. You was keeping me in the loop. Word. So anyway, I had a meeting at the JOB and it was getting past 10 o'clock. I was like, damn.
Y'all wanna pick up this country pace?
So what happened was, I went ahead and called Foot Locker and I was like, yo, y'all got these joints on a size 10? She said, yeah, we got like one pair. I was like, yo, all right, I'm here. I gotta walk up there to take like 15 minutes. Can you hold them for me? She said, no problem. So I'm like, all right, bet. So I'm walking up to the store, all hype and stuff. I'm already under the weather. I'm about to take my Carolina trip like that day. So I already knew I wasn't gonna do no like on-free, all that stuff. These joints weren't coming with me. I'm leaving that day when they drop them. So yeah, so I go up in the joint and she like, oh, we had a size 9.5, but it says we got a 10 here, but we can't find the 10. So I'm like,
Go find him, B. Unless you like being broke, nigga.
so she like, yo, you wanna try on the 9.5? I already knew it wasn't gonna fly, cause you know, one thing about me, I'm not gonna do the tights. You know what I'm saying? Like nah, like only the jeans. Nah, but I'm not gonna do that. You know, it's not gonna be kosher. But I tried them on. Too tight. I said nope. I said nah, this ain't gonna work. So anyway, I gave them up. So I'm like, damn man, yo, you sure y'all they ain't back there or something? So I already figured like somebody tried to get dibs on it. So anyway, some cat came around from the back post and he was like, I think he might have been the manager. He was like, oh, let me go back there and check again. So boom, came out with these joints. Yeah. You know me, I ain't the big history buff. I just remember the joints that I couldn't get back in the day. But yo, this box right here, Slender Man. Word, really reminds me of the Air Max 90s back in the day. Just different color on the box when what I'm visioning. And who's texting me now? But anyway, give me a second. Cool. Yeah, different texture different color on the box. But yeah, you already know, bam. This is size 10 right here. You already, boom, open the joints up. I'm not gonna do a review because y'all already seen them and I'm like 5 weeks late. But I'm never late to do it on foot. Y'all already know what. Boom. So, immediately when I saw this pair right here, I already knew. I said, yo, somebody's tried them joints on. I ain't tripping. You know, it's all good. But check this out. Y'all see that right there?
Man, that ain't shit.
Right here, I don't know. I don't know. I think somebody tried them on because this is like the factory lace and they're like untampered with. But anyway, man, it's all good. Yeah, man, like these joints right here. I was damn near about to rock these joints on the way to the crib because I think I had like a blue Nike Tech joint, but I'm like nah. But now if I had gray Nike Tech, the Tech joint, yeah, I would have damn sure banged you. Gray or black, yes. These joints will really bang with like gray or black. I'm thinking black more because it's really gonna make it pop. But gray got that subtle look, and then oh my god, they're the sneaks. These joints right here, I pretty much rock like a style sneaker like this. That it's all about the sneak. I'm subtle, you know what I'm saying? It's a real subtle look. Try to be grown with it a little bit, but you know me, I'm very immature. And then pow, there you go. So yeah, man. I really do like these joints. I like the whole silhouette. The clear air unit looks real dope. You can see all the way through it. Definitely the 90, well, obviously Air Max 90s, but yeah, takes me back. It takes me back. But I do see a couple flaws in these joints, like maybe factory flaws, couple scuffs, but I ain't really tripping. How much did I pay for these joints? Oh yeah. I paid 102. Okay. Yeah, that ain't bad. 102. I think, what was the retail on these? My bad. Retail was 120. They give you that, they get the military, now we only get 15% discount. They took the 5% away. I guess they're saying, you know, when they're out there doing the war efforts, slack up 5%, you know, it's okay, you know. But anyway, yeah, I seen that they had the hang tag. I'm not gonna rock it with the hang tag, but that was pretty cool right there. I'm gonna take it off, keep it as a memento, but I'm really gonna rock these. These are really gonna be like a summer sneaker for me right here. I'm gonna give y'all a few looks, then after that I'm just gonna lace these joints up and we're gonna damn sure get to them. My bad. I definitely would have rocked these. The only thing, like I said, stopped me is the fit that I had on that day to travel. I was like, you know what, nah, I'm cool. And the fact that when I got to the Ville, I still got the 24/7 volts that you can check out that vid. I was on the phone doing it on foot, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, let me know that y'all cop these joints. They also come with, and I think I'm gonna try these out. They come with like arch boosters or something like that. Yeah, arch boosters. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely try these out. I'm gonna put these joints in and see how they do. But yeah, so I'm about to get to it, man. Unlace these joints, lace them up for my liking, and then get to it with the on foot. You already know, top 5 best on foot on YouTube. Don't play yourself out. Anyway, yo, I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me, man. I hit that 20K. Let's see, on my radar. I don't know. I really don't know what's right now. I really don't know what's coming out quicker. Is it gonna be like the 5s or the All-Star joints coming out? I do want those 3s, those red 3s. Let me know what y'all want. Matter of fact, I got to hit up earlier. Shout out to my man NES with that, you know, them Jordan 1s. I ain't really. I don't know. You know, I ain't really too pressed. This year, I'm back on my 2018 this year. If y'all remember 2018 when I was really doing the traveling, you know what I'm saying? Yo, I'm Euro stepping.
Hey!
Nah, I'm just playing because I'm not going to Europe. But anyway, nah, I'm really, yeah, I was already on my second trip. And even if you count it as my first trip, I got my second trip planned end of next month. You know, CIAA, I'm out there. And I got a DR trip that I'm already working on. Matter of fact, I got 2 DR trips that I'm working on, but they ain't even no vacation for me anymore. But anyway, man, F all that. You already know. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be with that snaps. It's your boy Wavy. I ain't noticed my channel must do at your beach, like I always like to say. See you when I see you. Best on foot coming up now. Out.
The definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my nigga. You been talking that Versace shit before Versace was dead, my nigga.
Yeah, they know my name, know my name. Yeah. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete, and I got a lot of eyes on. You ain't got to turn the lights on. You exquisite, great, so cute. Looking like you're supposed to. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. On top of the world, that's what I'm feeling like. On top of your girl, I gotta scream and die. One time for them faces, bees who keep the loudest of the loudest, and it stink like pee. Ooh, about to black out on some Zans. Wake up and do it again. If you afraid to get down, please keep your feet in the sand. Hold me P Dice with the man. Need must I say it again? Hold me P Dice with the man. Then look outside and now scram. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete, and I got a lot of eyes on. You ain't got to turn the lights on. You exquisite, great, so cute. Looking like you're supposed to. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. Dice rolling. Look how my ice frozen. She fried my hair like Malcolm X. This shit looks white, don't it? Don't get your wife stolen. That pussy like Poland. These niggas change soon as they see checks. That shit is quite bogus. Now me, oh, I'm nothing like them. I pop out that coupe and like them. Asking where I'm at, I'm right here. Asking where I'm at, I'm right
Now let me
here.
tell you something, he's the best. Like fuck that. Kevin will let you know every verse.